So first we will make one slip knot like this, and then 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, and then yarn over and skip 3 chain, 1 2 3, 3 chain skip. On the last one, 4th chain, insert your hook and pull the yarn like this, and then pull through 2 and then pull through 2 here, 1 double crochet, then yarn over again and the same stitch, the last one, 4th one, make again double crochet. So this we will make 6 times total double crochet here. Now I have 2, again same space, 3 double crochet, 3 more, 4 5 6. Now I have here total 6 double crochet, 4 chain and then 6 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then make 3 chains, 1 2 3 chain, and then over here in the same stitch I will make slip stitch, 3 chain and then slip stitch like this, and done, slip stitch, and then make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and turn your work, yarn over, and now we will work in this here space. If you see, we have here 3 chain, and then here you will find your space, then insert your hook here, make 6 times double crochet again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I have here 6 times double crochet, then 3 chain, 1 2 3, and make slip stitch in the same space where I have 6 double crochet. I'm going to insert my hook in the same space and pull the yarn, then pull the yarn like this. So this is slip stitch done, and then make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and now again turn. So we need to turn when you make 3 chain and then like this, then yarn over again. If you see here we have space, 3 chain, and then you will find here big space kind of, then insert your hook, make 6 times again, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 3 chain, 1 2 3, 6 double crochet, then 3 chain, and now I will make here slip stitch in this space. You see 3 chain and then slip stitch like this, done. Now 3 chain, 1 2 3 chain, then turn your work and a yarn over, make 6 times double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, then 3 chain, 1 2 3, and then slip stitch, pull the yarn and then pull the yarn, then 3 chain, 1 2 3, and turn your work, yarn over. Now you will see your lace, it's getting like this, and now just keep going on. just repeat this process. I'm going to show you once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch here. Then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, turn your work. Now again just 6 time double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch. Then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, turn your work and just make double crochets 6 times. Then 3 chain and make slip stitch. Then turn your work, make 3 chains, and again this repeat your pattern. Three, 4, 5, one last 6, then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch. Then 3 chain and turn your work, then you will work in this. So that's it. You just need to repeat this pattern and you will find your lace like this. It's very beautiful. So I'm going to some more petal and then I will show you how this looks. Okay, so now you can see this is lace looks like.